students, welcome to our online classes. Dear children, today I am going to teach you the subject English. In English, I am going to teach you grammar. Dear children, do you all remember what is noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun can be the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Yes, children, very good. Dear children, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Isn't it? Yes. Yes. Name some subject pronoun. Name 7 subject pronouns. Say all of you. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Yes, children. Okay. Next, you learned about helping verbs. Present helping verbs. Isn't it? Am, is, are. Am, present helping verb, is used with I subject pronoun. Is, present helping verb, is used with singular subject pronouns he, she, it. And are, present helping verb, is used with plural pronouns, that is we, you, they. Isn't it? We, you, they. Okay, children. So am is used with I. Is used with he, she, it. Are is used with I, no, you, we, they. Okay, children. Are is used with we, you, they. Okay, children. Very good. Dear children, like those helping verbs, am, is, are. Today, I am going to teach you another set of helping verbs, that is has and have. Okay, children? Yes. The word has, H-A-S, has, is used with one noun or singular pronouns, that is he, she, it. Okay, children? Yes. And the word have, H-A-V-E, have, is used with more than one noun or with the subject pronouns, plural subject pronouns and I. What are the plural subject pronouns? We, you, they and I. Okay, children? Yes. Dear children, let us revise the subject pronouns. Okay? I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I, நான், we, நாங்கள், you, நீ அல்லது நீங்கள். You can say நீ or நீங்கள். Okay? They, அவர்கள். He, அவன். She, அவள். It, அது. Isn't it? So, now I am going to teach where to use have and where to use has. Yes. I have. Though it is singular subject, we have to use have. We have. Plural. Isn't it? Plural pronoun. Plural subject pronoun. We have to use we have. We have to use the word have along with we subject pronoun. You have. You. It is singular and also plural. We have to use a word have along with you. They have. They have. They plural. We have to use the word have. He has. He, she, it. Singular subject pronouns. Along with this, all these three subject pronouns, we have to use has. He has, she has, it has. Yesterday, we, our teachers, have joined together to teach you the grammar part has, and have are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, children? Now, we are going to teach you has and have with teaching aids. Yes. What are 7 subject pronouns? I. We.
I.
They.
I.
Yeah, children, if I am included along with them, I have to say we. He. She.
Hi.
It. Yeah, children, I have left one subject pronoun, isn't it? What is that? You. You are my student. You're all my students. I have a teddy bear. We have teddy bears. They have teddy bears. He has a teddy bear. She has a teddy bear. It has 2 eyes and 1 nose. Teddy bear has 2 eyes and 1 nose. Yes, children. See, using height, I have used H-A-V-E, hat. Isn't it? When I was using V, I have used the word hat. When I have used the word they, I have used the word have. When I have used the subject pronoun he, I have used the word has. When I have used the subject pronoun she, I have used the helping verb has. When I have used it, I have used the helping verb has. Isn't it? Yes, children. Let us show another example with the teaching aid. Okay, children? Dear children, I have a balloon. We have balloons. They have balloons. She has a balloon. It has a balloon. He has a balloon. Yes, children. I have a balloon. I have a balloon. So, when I use the subject pronoun I have used the word have. When I have used the subject pronoun we, I have used the word have. When I have used the subject pronoun Yes, children. For I, we, you, they, we have to use the word have. Helping verb. When I'm using the subject pronouns he, she, it, we have to use the word has. Okay, children? Do you all understand? Very good, children. Yeah, children. For the subject pronouns I, we, you, they, we have to use the helping verb have. For the subject pronouns he, she, it, we have to use the helping verb has. Okay, children? Do you all understand? Very good.
ராஜா சின்ன ரோஜாவோடு காட்டு பக்கம் வந்தானாம். கூட ஒரு ரோஜா கூட்டம் கூட்டிக்கிட்டு போனானாம். சந்தோஷ காத்து உல்லாச கூத்து சங்கீத பாட்டு சொன்னானாம். கிளைகளின் மேலே கருங்குயில் கூட்டம் இலவசமாக நவ இசை பாட ராஜா சின்ன ரோஜாவோடு காட்டு பக்கம் வந்தானா. கூட ஒரு ரோஜா கூட்டம் கூட்டிக்கிட்டு போனானா. முள்ளு தச்ச யானைக்கு தான் வைத்தியம் பார்க்கணும். அந்த மூலிகையை கொண்டு வாங்க சாறு எடுக்கணும்.
Thank you. See you.
ஒரு குரங்கு வேணும் மாமா அது பிடிச்சிட்டாங்க ஆமா. ஒரு குரங்கு வேணும் மாமா அது பிடிச்சிட்டாங்க ஆமா.
இந்த பக்கம் போக வேண்டாம். என் பின்னால இருங்க. வாங்க. வினை விதைத்தவன் வினை அறுப்பான். தினை விதைத்தவன் தினை அறுப்பான். நன்மை ஒன்று செய்தீர்கள் நன்மை விளைந்தது. அட தீமை ஒன்று செய்தீர்கள் தீமை விளைந்தது. தீமை செய்வதை விட்டு விட்டு நன்மை செய்வதை தொடருங்கள். ராஜா சின்ன ரோஜாவோடு காட்டு பக்கம் வந்தானா. கூட ஒரு ரோஜா கூட்டம் கூட்டிக்கிட்டு போனானா.
Yeah, children, have you all enjoyed? Yes, very good. Dear children, from this song, you are going to find where to write the word has and where to write the word have. Are you all ready, children? Yes. First one, Raja dash has or have gone to the forest. Which one you will select, children? Raja has gone to the forest or Raja have gone to the forest? Raja has gone to the forest. Only one. noun, isn't it? Raja is a name of a person. So, we have to write has. So, singular noun always carries has, isn't it? So, Raja has gone to the forest. Number 2. They dash helped an elephant. They dash helped an elephant. As or have. They, plural subject, isn't it? Plural noun. So, we have to write have. Very good. They have helped an elephant. Very good, children. Shall we go with the third one? Yes. He dash done a mistake. Has or have. He has done a mistake. H-A-S, has. He has done a mistake. He is a singular pronoun, isn't it? So we have to write has. He has done a mistake. Very good. Last one. Elephant dash has or have rescued them. Elephant dash has or have rescued them. Elephant is a singular noun, name of an animal, isn't it? So we have to write has. Elephant has rescued them. Okay, children. Very good, children. Dear children, let me teach with examples. Okay. I dash a pen. I have a pen. We should say I have a pen. We dash pens. We have pens. You dash a pen. You have a pen. You have a pen. They dash pens. They have pens. They have pens. He dash a pen. He has a pen. He has. H-A-S, has. She dash a pen. She has a pen. It dash 2 eyes. It has 2 eyes. Yes. Rani dash a box. Rani is naming word, name of a girl. So what we have to use? Has or have? Has. Rani has a box. I and Rekha dash a ball. I and Rekha dash a ball. I and Rekha have a ball. H-A-V-E. I and Rekha plural, isn't it? We. So what we have to write, children? Have. We have a ball. Children dash bags. Yeah, children. Children. Is it singular or plural? Plural. Child is a singular. Children, plural word, isn't it? So children have bags. Children have bags. Ramu dash an umbrella. Ramu dash an umbrella. Ramu is the name of a person. He, isn't it? So what we have to write? Which helping verb we have to write? Has or have? Has. Ramu has an umbrella. You have a bag. You have a bag. You have a bag. Okay. Dog dash a tail. Dog has a tail. Dog has a tail. Okay, children. Now we are going to do the book exercise. Take out your grammar book. Take page number 52. Take the correct word. Write it on the line. Rima and Renu dash a big boat. Have a big boat. Rima and Renu. Plural, isn't it? So, we should write they on the top. T-H-E-Y, they. So, what we have to write? They have a boat. Okay, children? They have a big boat. Number 2. They dash a nice cabin on the boat. They dash a nice cabin on the boat. They. Already plural pronoun is given. So what we have to select, children? Has or have? Which one you will choose? Have. The cabin dash a bed and a chair in it. Cabin. IT, it name of a thing. Isn't it? So what we have to write? Has. The cabin has a bed and a chair in it. Do you dash a boat to? Do you. So what we have to write, children? Have. Do you have a boat too? Do you have a boat too? I have 3 paper boats. I have 3 paper boats. Dear children, I have, we have, you have, they have. He as, she as, it as. We should memorize this, children. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Now, complete these sentences. Use has or have with color words of your choice. One has been done for you. Anil dash a dash umbrella. Anil has a purple umbrella. Swati dash a dash hat. Swati is the name of a girl. So we have to write has. Swati has a red hat. Write the spelling, children. R-E-D, red. Red hat. Manju and Devan dash a dash car. Manju and Devan. They have, H-A-V-E, have a blue car. B-L-U-E, blue car. Our cat dash eyes. Our cat has brown eyes. H-A-S has brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown eyes. Their parrots dash a dash ring around their necks. Their parrots have, H-A-V-E, have a red, R-E-D, red, ring around their necks. R-E-D, red. Okay, children. Number 6. The Thomas dash many flowers, many dash flowers in their garden. The Thomas have. It's a plural word, so we have to write have. Many pink flowers in the garden. P-I-N-K, pink. Very good.
I think all have completed the book exercises also.
மிஸ் இன்னைக்கு உங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்? Has have என்ன? Helping verbs. எது கூடலாம் நம்ம has ன்ற வேர்டை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். I, we, you, they. In all these 4 subject pronouns we have to use have. He, she, it. In the 3 subject pronouns க்கு singular subject pronouns ஓட நம்ம has use பண்ணணும். This சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். Yes. All have completed the book exercises also. Okay, children. So, hope you all understood the concept. Thank you and bye. Meet you in the next class. Bye-bye, children.